Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 11 for limited liability partnerships using the V3 portal. This annual return is a crucial compliance requirement, summarizing your LLP's financial position and partner contributions. It is mandatory for all registered LLPs in India to submit this form electronically. We will guide you through the entire process on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs V3 platform, ensuring a smooth and accurate submission. Before you begin filing, it is essential to have all necessary information readily available. This includes comprehensive details of every partner, their capital contributions, and any changes during the financial period. You will also need the LLP's total turnover for the relevant period. Confirm that all designated partner identification numbers, or DPIN, are active and correctly linked to the partners. Finally, ensure your LLP agreement details are current. The filing process on the V3 portal is straightforward once you are prepared. First, log in to your account on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs V3 portal using your registered credentials. Navigate to the LLP e-filing section, where you will find a list of forms. Select Form 11, the annual return. Carefully fill in all the mandatory fields, ensuring every piece of information is accurate and consistent with your LLP's records. After completing all sections, attach any required supporting documents, such as financial statements or partner change details. The form must then be digitally signed by a designated partner using their valid digital signature certificate. Proceed to pay the prescribed filing fees online through the available payment gateways. Once successfully submitted, download and save the acknowledgement receipt for your records, completing your annual compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.